Hello, this is Billy Core from the Nostalgia Mall, and welcome to the first ever fan mail and donation unboxing video for this channel. Over the past month, you guys have sent me some stuff to show on the channel, and so in this video, we are going to take a look at what you have sent me. So, let's get started. Our first item of the day is this piece of viewer mail sent to me from Kay Sonnerbend of Traverse City, Michigan. So let's open her up and see what Kay Sonnerbend has to say to us. Thank you for not sealing it too bad, because I don't have a letter opener. Okay, what have you got to say? Ooh. Billy, I have been watching your videos since 2015 and I enjoy them very much. I grew and living in the same town I have been living in all my life. When I was young like you, I got into computers. Windows 98 was my first OS that I ever used or remember using. Good operating system, by the way. I am 20 years old and was born in 2000, so Windows 98 was my first OS, even though Windows XP was around. Then eventually my family's computer got upgraded to Windows XP, and it took me a couple of years to really like XP. You know, what you said a while ago about using Windows 98 when XP was around. I remember my friend Dylan, he was still using 98 as his daily driver in 2007, 2008 or so. Anyway, I remember using my aunt's Windows 98 computer, which had no internet, and that was replaced with a compact tower with Windows XP. But her getting an XP computer, she finally got internet. I had my grandpa's compact laptop that I unfortunately destroyed because I did not know how to take care of a computer, and it went to my grandma first because he got a gateway laptop. Yeah, I remember my Dell Inspiron 1150 back in 2005. I should have taken better care of it. It may still be around to this day if I had. But I remember I used to eat potato chips around it, and one day ants started crawling out from the keyboard, and I couldn't stop them. I had to vacuum them out. It was wow. Anyway, where were we? But he bought her a Dell Inspiron 1525, good laptop, at the local Best Buy, and I know that because I went with him. You had that Dell Inspiron 1525, and you even had the same color, but mine never had 7 until I got the PC. I got my first laptop in 2009, which was a Toshiba Satellite, and I don't remember the model number, but that hard drive died, and I replaced it with my aunt's compact, and that died and was replaced with a Pentium 4 PC. Then I got a Dell laptop, which was an Inspiration, but it was replaced with a custom-build PC. By the way, I think you mean Inspiron. But it was, but I'll give you the benefit of the doubt, that was probably autocorrect. But it was replaced with a custom-built PC because I got into PC gaming and had a couple since then. Now I have a Ryzen 7. I do too. You got me into PC collecting, and I've got a Dell Dimension Pentium 3 and a Pentium 3 Compact Desk Pro EN, good machines there. And I added a Sound Blaster SB0100 sound card to it. I also have a Dell Inspiron 2650 like you have. Had to sell mine a couple of years ago. Hope I can get another one someday. I thank you for getting me into that hobby, and I like how you really focus on old technology. I like to see how old PCs work, and I like how you can still do things with an old computer. You helped me get into a career with computers, and in fact I am going to college with a computer support major. How is the Carolina Flyer? And I wonder how you run your Windows 2000 domain. I hope you continue to make old computer videos because you are awesome at making them. From Kenny Sonnerbend. Well, to answer your question, the Carolina Flyer, I sure hope not. The Carolina Flyer is still running great right there. It's on the left. Haven't really done much spectacular stuff with it lately. And as far as the Windows 2000 domain, you'll have to ask my friend the Flying Scotsman, because he remoted into my computer a few years ago and set it up for me. I really have no knowledge on how to set those things up, so I'm Sorry about that. I wish I could be more help with you. But thank you so much for the very kind letter. This is the first piece of viewer mail I have ever received. And thank you so much. Okay, that was a very nice letter. Thank you for sending that in. And now on to our first package for this video. And this is actually the first package donation I've ever received for the channel. This arrived just today, actually, to the P.O. Box. This is from YouTube user RetroTech Chris, who I've been watching for about 6 months now or so. He does some really good videos. He needs some subscribers, though, so you head on over there and check his videos out when you get a chance. But this is from RetroTech Chris of Stone Ridge, Virginia. And I have no clue what is in here. Hopefully I don't slice my hand off. But my wife is in the medical field. She can sew it back up. Ooh, that did poke me, actually. And it hurt. But I'm not bleeding though, so this is sealed a little too good, perhaps, but okay, let's put this knife away before it hurts someone, probably me. Okay, and first thing we have is a little letter. Hi Billy, glad to see that you've set up a P.O. box to accept donations. Thought I would send you some fun things to review. Enclosed are several interface cards and an awesome 3.5-inch floppy adapter kit that I recently came across, as well as some SATA cables since you can never have too many. Enjoy, yours in nostalgia, RetroTech Chris. Okay, so right here is, and this bubble wrap is some, it's like a white cardboard box. And this is a 3.5-inch floppy drive mounting kit. And this includes some rails, a front fascia, and a Molex adapter cable. And I think there's some screws in there, but I won't show that right now. And I pushed it back out the other end of the box. I will clean that up later. Okay. Here are those mentioned SATA cables. And these must be the interface cards. And so, this bubble wrap off. Okay. I'll just get the box out of the way since we're done with it. First adapter here is an ISA card, and it is looks to be a modem, a dial-up modem. Don't really use these much anymore, but these do make good placeholders for when you don't have a slot blank. But thank you very much. Okay, and our next card is, well, I could actually use one of these. It's an ongoing project of mine. We have a Adaptec PCI Firewire card for connecting a mini DV camcorder up or something similar to that. So those are always good to have on hand. Back in the bag. And this looks like a sound card. A PCI sound card. And it is a Creative ES1373. This might be an Ensoniq card. So I will definitely give that a try. It has a sticker on here with the date April 27th, 1999. So that could come in handy on a future project. And now, our last card looks to be an ISA card. So let's check this one out. And this is what appears to be a very old school network card. And I see a Texas Instruments chip on it. And some dip switches here, I guess, for setting the IRQ. But we have an Ethernet jack and what looks to be a 9-pin serial connection, but I doubt that it's serial. So, and it has a logo for a company called Madge, AT ring node. So I will have to check into that. Maybe this isn't a LAN card. But anyway, that's it for Retro Tech Chris's bundle of goodies. Thank you so very much. Okay, thank you once again to you guys for sending the mail and the donation this month. If you guys have anything you would like to send to the channel, be a piece of old technology or just some fan mail you want me to read on the channel, just send them to this address. And so until next time, this is Billy Core, signing off. Thank you for visiting the Nostalgia Mall. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You may also support me on Patreon if you would like. Until next time, this is Billy Core, signing off.